Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to request payment on your Cash App. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. If you'd like to know how to save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. As you look toward the middle of your screen, you're going to see the Amazon deal and the Amazon Prime right there. So that's the link right there, guys. I highly recommend this subscription because it can save you a lot of money and you can cancel anytime, which is a huge privilege to try something and cancel anytime, guys. So I highly recommend it for you guys to check it out and let me know how it is. Now let's get back to a video. Like I said, I'll show you how to request payment on your Cash App. First, we're gonna start by opening up Cash App. So guys, once you get on this main screen right here, so first thing you're gonna have to ask yourself, like, how much money I want to request on somebody. So then you enter the amount. For example, I'm gonna enter 100 right there. Once you enter the amount, you look on the bottom left hand corner right there. They're gonna say request. Make sure you tap on request right there. So once you tap on request, then the next step gonna be, who do you want to send it to? Like, who do you want to request the money? And you type the person name that you want to request, and you can leave a note there. So let me just type. Yeah, for note, it's just like an example. If you want to leave your note there, let me just say. So I already tap on the person that I want to request the money. And once you've done that step, and once you write the note, look on the upper right hand corner where they're gonna say request right there, and make sure you tap on request right there, and they're gonna say you already sent the money to, you already request the money to the person that whom you chose to. And that's how you request payment on your Cash App. And if you have like another question, leave them in comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in my video description. As I said earlier, it's a way for you to save money. So I would encourage you guys to check it out. And thank you for watching.